here's how to configure Builderius Sense to work with your live remote server. The first step is to ensure you have the latest version of Node.js and your favorite AI agent, which in this example is Claude Code, installed on your local machine. If you don't have it installed, there is a link in the description and it will be a card popping up showing you how to install it on your local machine. But if you want to test if it's installed, go to your terminal if you're on the Mac, or PowerShell if you're on the Windows, and you simply type node -v. If it returns a value, that means it is installed correctly, and the version number should be at least 22.0 or higher. Then we can also test out if Claude is installed by typing Claude _version. If it returns a version number, that means Claude is installed as well. So that is it done. Then the next step is to make sure you have the latest version of Builderius and Builderius Pro installed on your web server. So that is on your remote website. So I have the latest versions installed. Then we'll go ahead and check under Builderius settings. Go ahead and activate your license. Then you can now access the tab called Sense AI. So in this tab called Sense AI, you simply activate Sense AI. Don't worry if it shows you that there were none of the requirements installed, because we are on a remote server, not on the local machine. So that's why you cannot detect those installations. So all we have to do is switch over to the remote tab and we'll go ahead and save settings. So now that the settings have been saved, we can now go back to our terminal. Then we'll create a folder on our local computer where we want to store all of our files that are related to the website. So on my own computer, I've created a file called web projects. So now that I'm in the web projects, this is where I want to now run Sense. If we were running it on our local server, like a local WP or something like that, it will have been done automatically for us when we enter into the builder. But since it is on a remote computer, we have to start up the Sense on our local computer first and then connect to the remote server. So all you have to just do is type Sense. And that's it. Everything is now done. We can now go ahead and edit a page. I'll edit it with Builderius. Then we'll go to the Sense AI tab. Then we'll have to accept a security warning if it's your first installation, and then we'll now have access to Claude Code. So now that Claude Code has been activated, all we have to do now is start adding in our prompt. So what I'm going to try out today is try to replicate this get involved section. Let's see how well it will do. Please, I would like you to try it out yourself and let us know how it gets on with you in the comments and on our Facebook group. Everything will be in the description. You might have to tweak your prompt a bit better. So please let me know if you have success with the prompt. Let us know in the comments what type of prompts you used and we can go ahead and use that to create a guide for other people to follow along with. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.